What is up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Coinbase account and then how to navigate it. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to www.stargate-ventures.com, and that is the Stargate website. So where you want to go on here, you want to go in the top right corner where it says more. You want to go to affiliate links. So you want to make sure you're doing this so you don't go onto Google and type in like Coinbase and then it ends up being a fake URL and anything bad happening on that end. So if you go to stargate-ventures.com/affiliates, then you click the Coinbase right here, then you know you're getting the genuine Coinbase. So so you come here, click Coinbase, and now we're going to go to here where we have create an account. So now I would do my first name, last name, email, and then a password, and then the state, and then certify that you are 18 years of age or older, create account. All right, so after doing that, now it'll say verify your email. So you're gonna go to your email where you just put in and then click the email from Coinbase saying verify. So let's do that. So Coinbase right here, please verify your email address. So we got this and we can do verify email address. All right, now what you would do is you would put in your two-step verification. It's a phone number, be in your text messages, and it would say your Coinbase verification code is, and then the number I have is 4767507, and then submit. And now you would select your citizenship. Mine's United States. Submit. And then you would verify your identity through here. So I got my first name, last name, and then date of birth. Let's do that. And then what will you use Coinbase for? So what will you use Coinbase for? Investing, trading on Coinbase, trading on other exchanges, a lot of things here, but you could do investing. And then what is your source of funds? Making money from your job, and that's where the money that you're using to invest on Coinbase. Then you would do occupation. If you're investing on Coinbase based off of money from your other investments, you'd click that, or your savings. So you could enter in the source of your funds, which would probably be occupation. Then employment status, you could do employed, unemployed, retired, student, or self-employed. And then you would do the last 4 digits of your social security and then enter that in. So then it's customer due diligence. So how much crypto do you expect to trade per year? So you could just do a guesstimate. So I'll say maybe less than $10,000 a year. So what industry do you work in? So you would just see if yours is there. So I would say cryptocurrency industry, submit. And now you're in. So now you created your Coinbase account, and next steps is you want to add a payment method. So you want to go into here, add payment method. And the best one you'd want to add is your bank account, because you can invest bigger amounts and it's less of a fee. But you could also invest do it through a debit card as well too. But I'll do bank account, and then yeah. All right. So then it would send you a text to your phone, because this is through Plaid. So this is what connects your bank account to Coinbase. This platform, it's safe. And now, so I got the debit, and now continue, and now the bank account is linked. So now I added my payment method. So your account has been successfully linked and is being verified. It may take a couple minutes. So now what we would do is we'd want to go to in the top right, this profile icon, click it, and then do settings. And then you want to go to account limits right here. So then the next thing you want to do is enable send and receive. That's so you're able to send and receive crypto, and you get that by verifying your identity. So let's see. So you're going to upload your ID. You can click here, choose an upload method. The best way to do it is just mobile camera. So then it's going to send you the link to your phone that you have connected on here to then continue doing the verifying your identity from the phone. All right, so if you can't do it from your phone, you can go back and you can do file upload. If it's not working on your phone, you could just send your pictures of your IDs to your desktop, save it, and then you're able to go in here and upload them. So let's see. So I have mine in, and I'll do upload. And there we go. So now I'm a level 3. I'm fully verified, and we can continue on. So next thing you want to do is, in this same section under settings, you want to go to security. Then you want to do other options under two-step verification. You have your phone and text message as a two-step verification method. The best way is through Authenticator. So you'll select that, and then you'll get a text to your phone saying that you're getting ready to change the two-factor. So let's see, 2466763, enter. And there it is. So now you have this QR code pop up. So now what you want to do is you want to download Google Authenticator on your phone. So I'll show you the logo right here. It's also on the Stargate website, I believe. So you go to Stargate and you go to more affiliate links. And then down here we have, so Google Authenticator isn't on there. So you would just, let me show you the logo. So whether you had an iPhone or an Android, you'd go for an Android to the Google Play Store. You'd go to the App Store if you have an iPhone. And then this is the logo of the Google Authenticator app. So this is it right here. And you'd install that on your phone. So once you get to there, you would open it up on your phone, the Google Authenticator, and you would accept anything that it says. And then once you have a blank screen, there's a plus sign at the bottom right of your screen that you'll click it, and then it'll say enter a setup key or scan a QR code. What you want to click is scan a QR code. Then it'll pull up with a scanner, and then on your screen you want to scan it, your phone, that QR code, and then now you'll have your two-factor authentication numbers pulled up. So now you would enter it in back here. So you look back at that Google Authenticator app, and those 6 numbers that pop up, you want to type it in. So mine says 733972, and then I would do enable. And now I have two-factor Google Authenticator set up for Coinbase. So at this point, you have set up your Coinbase account, and now you have added a payment method. I added a bank account. So, yep. Verify your bank account. We couldn't verify your bank account instantly, so please try again or try manually linking your bank account. So if this pops up, try manually linking it through a routing number or an account number, which are your full name, and then verify your bank. If not, you can always do add a payment method and do a debit card. So at this point, we set up a new account on Coinbase. We verified our identity and uploaded our IDs. We got the full verification all set. Then we enabled Google Authenticator two-factor on Coinbase. We linked our bank account or a debit card, and now we're at the point where we're able to buy our first crypto. So where you'd want to go is to trade on the left side. And now let's go. And then you can search any crypto you want to invest in, and then say you want to invest into Ethereum. So you click on Ethereum, and then it would say buy right here, or you could sell it. And then it's telling me to submit ID and photo verification. I already did it. It's probably just still processing it. So I would do buy and sell. And then there'd be a blue button here that says buy. And then it would say, how much do you want to buy of Ethereum? You would enter in how much, maybe $100, $500, $1,000. And then you click buy and then confirm. And then you have bought your first crypto. And then if you wanted to sell, you go to sell. You type in how much you'd want to sell. Say like $100 of Ethereum you're trying to sell into cash, and then you'd click sell right there, and then you're good. If you wanted to convert Ethereum into another coin, like say maybe Aave, you could do that. You could say how much you want to convert, say $100, and then you could do convert now or confirm, preview, convert, and then confirm. So that is how you set up your Coinbase. And then now let's go through navigating it. So on the left side, so I'm going to click the logo. We're at the main screen. On the right side, you can create a watch list of coins that you want to watch. You can learn about crypto and earn free crypto from learning. You can refer a friend and then earn crypto from that. Then you can stay up to date by turning on email notifications. Then you have like your pop-ups here. And then on the left side, actually, let me go down a little bit more. So after you finish all the steps for your account, this will probably go away. And then it'll just say your total balance, how much is in your portfolio, and then your watch list will be there. In the top right, you have your buy and sell button, your send and receive button. So send or receive, and then your buy or your sell or your convert. And then up here, you have your profile. You can go to settings. And then this is where you can manage your notifications, your two-factor authentication, your activity. You can look at your privacy, payment methods. Right here, you can look at API, and then your account limits as you want to make sure this is fully verified across the board. And then you have an allow list, crypto address, and your profile, where if you click that, you're able to edit your profile information all on here as well too. So that's good for there. And then let's go back. So now on the left side, so we're on assets. Yep, we did that. So now we can go to trade. And on trade, you can search all cryptos. You can filter between tradable assets that are currently on Coinbase or your watch list, or all assets in general, so all cryptos in general. And top gainers, top losers as well too, is very cool. Then you can go to pay. So you can then enable a Coinbase debit card. So if you go to pay, it might ask you, would you like to join the wait list for a Coinbase debit card? You can click that, and we can get into that in another video. Then you can go to For You. And then this is like a news page, and you can look at everything. There's some education on here. There's news, get more crypto. I think this is the earning or the staking. Yep. So you can just go around here and check that out. So Learn and Earn is where you'll take quizzes to earn free crypto. So Stellar Lumens earn $10. You'd click here, and then you'd go through those videos, answer the questions, and then you'd be able to earn that free crypto there. Then notifications, this is where you'll manage it. So your two-step verification settings have been changed, so it lets you know of any notifications. Your invite friends button to invite them to join Coinbase. You'll both get $10 in Bitcoin. And then you can send a gift to anybody, friends or family, as a crypto gift to anyone. So yeah, so that is how you would navigate regular Coinbase. So now that you pro.coinbase.com. So you want to click this one. Then once you get here, it'll be signed out. You won't be logged in. So then it'll say get started. But what you can do is you could just go right up here to sign in, because you're going to sign in with the same credentials, meaning the same email address and password that you use for regular Coinbase. You're going to use those same ones for Coinbase Pro. So sign into your Coinbase account to authorize Coinbase Pro. So it's the same thing. So I had used rlevine at stargate-ventures.com, my password, and I click sign in. And then it's going to ask me for that 6-digit code from your Google Authenticator app. So you go back to your phone, go to Google Authenticator app, and then where it says Coinbase and those 6 digits, you would type those in here. So let's see. So mine say 839136, verify. And then now you're into Coinbase Pro just like that with the same credentials that you use for Coinbase. So how you would navigate Coinbase Pro. So let's see. So there's a chart on your screen right now. It's on, to know what coin you're at, you go on the top left, Bitcoin to USD. So you're trading Bitcoin for US dollars. And then here would say your wallet balance. It'll tell you how much US dollars you have in your account or how much Bitcoin you have. And then you have your buy and your sell right here. And then you have your market orders, your limit orders, and your stop orders. So starting out, if you're just starting out, you use a market order. If you want to buy, you just enter in how much money. So say you want to buy $100 worth, but you got to make sure that you have US dollars in your account. And I'll show you how to deposit that in a second here. So first, let me go through here. So this is your order book. So this is people placing their sell orders. So people trying to sell for this price and people are trying to buy for this price. And then right here, you have the depth, the order book depth. So it gives you like a visual depiction of these buy orders and of these sell orders. And then you'll have your open orders down here and then your filled orders right here. And then on the right side, this is just the overall trade history in real time, people buying Bitcoin. Then you have your sells right there. And it's just telling you the trade history in real time. Then you have your chart right here. You can go through multiple time frames. So 1M is 1 minute. So this is a very short time frame. Then you have 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour, and 1 day. So it looks like it's going to break up right now. Then you go to overlay and put on the 12 exponential moving average and the 26 exponential moving average. Then you could even change it from a candle chart to a line chart like that. I like the candle chart on here. I like throwing the EMAs on. I like putting on the daily chart. Gives you a better look. And then, so that covers this page, except for the deposit and the withdraw. So if you wanted to deposit some money onto Coinbase Pro that you have on regular Coinbase, this is how you would do it. So deposit US dollar, and then you would do, because you could have your bank account linked here too. If you wanted to just deposit it directly to Coinbase Pro, you could do that just by doing that. Or you could do a wire transfer, or you could just deposit it straight off of coinbase.com. So if I had US dollars on coinbase.com, it would tell me a certain amount right there. And then so I'm trying to take money from coinbase.com to my Coinbase Pro. And then how much, if say up here it said $100 that I had, I would just type in $100, or I could click max, and then I would do deposit. And it's unlimited amount of times you could do this, no limit. Processing time, it's instant, and it's a $0 fee. So you would do deposit, and then you'll now see the US dollars show up in your account right here. And then same thing with other coins. You could do that with US dollar. You can do it with Bitcoin. So the same process with that is you could do coinbase.com, and then it will tell you how much Bitcoin you have. You could do max, or you could just do however much you want to do. It's still zero fee, unlimited limit, instant processing time, deposit. So it's just taking it from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. And then if you wanted to take it off of Coinbase Pro to put it onto Coinbase, you would click here and do withdraw. And then whatever, if you wanted to withdraw US dollars or a crypto, you could do US dollar. So you could withdraw it right out to your bank account, or you could withdraw it to coinbase.com. So taking it from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase. And then you would type in how much you'd want to take out and then withdraw, and then it would be on your Coinbase account right here. So, and then with another coin, so if you wanted to withdraw, let's see, like USD Tether, so you have an option to withdraw it to coinbase.com or to a different crypto address. So you're usually going to do coinbase.com starting out. Later on, you'll get into crypto addresses, which is a whole nother video that we'll get into all this with. So yeah, so that's the beginning page. So now let's go out here. All right, so that covers that. And then if you click up here with the select market, you can look at all the cryptos that are trading right now. So this is your fiat markets, and this is Bitcoin to US dollar, Ethereum to US dollar, USD Tether to US dollar, Cardano to US dollar. But then you can search right here for a crypto that you're looking to invest in, or you could go through the US dollar pairs, the euro pairs, Bitcoin pairs. So you can trade like Ethereum to Bitcoin. So if you think Bitcoin might outperform Ethereum, then maybe you'll sell your Ethereum to go into Bitcoin. So that's another thing that you can do on here. You can convert crypto to crypto. Yeah, so that covers that. And then in the top right, we got our profile. We can click that. And then you have your banking. You can set up your banking payment methods, bank accounts, all that. Your limits. So if you go to your limits, you can see what they are. You can increase them if you'd like. And then you can look at your address book, statements, help and support, privacy, legal, sign out. And then if you want to go to portfolio, this will have your entire portfolio on here and where it stands. So I currently don't have anything on here, but if you did have some coins on here, it would list them out here and it will tell you how much. It would say how much, the total quantity, what that equates to in US dollar terms. Then you can look at your deposits, coins that you deposited or dollars in here, and then you can look at your withdrawals. Then if you go to orders, it will tell you your open trades, so your trades that are open and waiting to get filled. It will show you your actual filled orders, so trades that went through, and then it will show you all your fees as well and show your the fees and the pricing tiers of all that, the taker and maker fees. So yeah, so that is it for Coinbase Pro and for Coinbase. So that is it. We went through setting up your regular Coinbase, and that's a must first. You always want to set up your regular Coinbase first. Make sure that you're uploading your verification and your ID. You're going to the profile up here. You're going to settings. You're going to limits to make sure that you have the full verification. You uploaded your ID and making sure that you're up to a level 3. So that is a must. You want to make sure that you're level 3 verified. Then you want to make sure you have your payment method linked up. Then you want to make sure that you are doing Google Authenticator. You're downloading that on your phone, and then you're setting up 2-step verification for Google Authenticator on here. Then you can buy and sell crypto, send and receive. And once you do that, then you can go to Coinbase Pro and then do sign in with the same credentials you use for here, and then you're good to go. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.